You're wondering why I'm waiting here, right? A very interesting thing happened last week. There is a huge green forest near our house. My dad decided to teach us how to be scouts, and we all put on our scout pads and went to the forest. My dad told us how the scouts know nature, protect it, and their duties. We learned scouts need to keep nature clean. There were other things that he would have told us, but we, of course, couldn't wait for him when we arrived. Hey!
My young scouts wanted to discover the forest as soon as possible.
I just wish they would have helped me set the table first.
Well, I'm here, dear. I'll help you myself. I'll show you how the scouts set the table fast, you betcha.
Wonderful! Isn't it so nice that we have a beautiful forest so close to home?
My mom cooked all these delicious walnut cookies for all of us. Cookies for me?
Come on, let's sit over here so everyone can eat one.
And don't worry, there are enough cookies for everyone.
They just look so delicious. Let's take 2 of them to Mom and Dad.
I really like your thinking. I'll take them cookies now.
Oh, what happened here? Was there a wind deer?
No, dear. The weather will be perfect today. You do know that the scouts can predict the weather. Let me see. That's right. No, it won't rain as well.
My mom cooked these delicious cookies for this trip. I brought these for you.
Thank you so much, Zuzu.
Delicious cookies? I love them.
But this is so tasty. Why don't my cookies and cakes taste like this?
That's not right. They're so tasty. Don't you remember how the kids loved the cake the other day? You are a great cook.
You made that tasty cake. Did you forget?
You're right. Oh, anyway, let me go tell my scouts all about the tree.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy and sorrow.